Okay, so back in our images.php, inside of the else statement, let's start by creating a variable called file, and we're going to use the PathInfo function to collect the information from this file. So we've got the name of the file will be, if we copy this files variable here to do with images, instead of size, it's going to be a name. Okay, now PathInfo, what PathInfo does, if we go to php.net, you can see that PathInfo creates an array of directory name, which is dir name, PathInfo base name, which is the name of the file without the extension. Then it also retrieves the extension only, as well as the file name with the extension. So what we are interested in is the extension, and to call the extension, we have to use the name of the variable to which we assigned the PathInfo function to, and just in the brackets use the element we want to get from it. So in our case, it's going to be extension. If we go back to our text editor, now copy the file, and we're going to create the extension ext variable and assign file extension to it, so that we know what extension our file has. Next thing, we want to convert the caption so that it is free of any characters which shouldn't be in a file name. So to do this, let's create CleanCaption variable, and let's use our clean string function, which is in our functions.php file, and let's pass the name of our variable caption collected from the form. Okay, clean string, if we go to our functions, we scroll down, clean string, there we go. It uses regular expression to replace any sort of non-alpha numerical characters, completely removing them, all spaces with underscores and so on. So if we go back, okay, we've got our clean caption. Now it's time to create our new file name, because we will be renaming. Every uploaded file will have its new unique name. So we're going to start with new name variable equals, we want all of the characters to be in lowercase, so string to lower function, and inside of this functions, inside of this function, first of all, I want to pass the ID of our category, then dot, and in between the double quotes, I want the underscore after category ID, then CleanCaption variable, which is our caption, which has been converted into the file save format, then dot, we're going to have hyphen this time, then we have current date in a format of y hyphen m lowercase hyphen d hyphen h, which is hour hyphen I, which is second minutes and seconds, and then we're gonna pass time, current time to it to indicate what we're trying to retrieve. Okay, we've got all this down, which is fine. Then after the date, we also want to add our dot and extension of the file, so ext, and after that, semicolon. So a new file is created of the category ID, underscore, our caption with the save characters, hyphen, then current date and time, separated by hyphens, and added the extension at the end. So our new file name is ready. So now it's time to actually upload our file. So upload variable equals move uploaded file, and now the name of the file, the temporary name of the file will be, if we copy this file's image name and change the name to tmp name, then comma, this is where it comes from, and then where we want to save, actually upload it. So we need to provide the path to our photos folder. As you remember, we've already created the constants for it inside of our config file. So we start with the root path, then directory separator, then gallery path dot gallery directory separator and our new name of the file and semicolon. So now that we have this variable, we can do the condition if upload has been successful. This is where actually our upload will be executed. Then simply do something else. But let's first try to upload any file without adding it to the database and see if it's working actually. So before we're gonna start uploading anything, make sure that our folder has the right access permissions. Right click on the folder inside of your FTP application, get info or chmod or anything else you might get there, and make sure that the permissions are set to 777. Apply, and apply also to all enclosed folders, because we have one folder inside of it for thumbnails as well. So that's all fine now. And let's test it in a browser. Let's close this one. Let's select some image and upload it. Okay, the image apparently has been uploaded. Let's go back. Let's open our photos folder, reload it, and hey, here it is. Our file has been successfully uploaded. As you can see, the ID of a category is number 2. Then we got our underscore. Then we've got the name which we've given for our caption, which obviously doesn't make much sense here, but it was just a temporary one. Then we've got hyphen 2009, then month, day, hour, minute, and second, and our extension. So our renaming of the file works absolutely fine. It uploads to the relevant folder. So we're ready to go and start actually using ImageMagick to crop the images and resize them to the relevant dimensions. So this is what we're going to be doing in the next video.